I'm just trying to take more responsibility in my life, and some of the best ways that I've figured that out is how am I consuming, what waste am I producing, how can I eliminate waste, how can I live more responsibly.
Zelshal is on a journey of sustainable living. She is hoping on this path to reduce her environmental footprint.
Whenever I leave the house, it's not only do I have my phone, do I have my wallet, it's do I have my bag, do I have a water bottle, am I going anywhere with food involved, do I have a to-go container.
In almost every aspect of her life, you'll see Zell trying to figure out how to eliminate waste by recycling, reducing,
I've completely eliminated paper towels.
Reusing, and rethinking.
I shop different, I buy things in different containers.
And it all comes back full circle.
So I save all of my organic food waste that can be composted. This is just in the kitchen, and when it fills up, then I take it to my compost bin outside. I turn my compost, or I can give food waste to my chickens. Eventually my compost goes into my garden, I eat my plants, and it's just a happy cycle.
Helping other people become better recyclers also involves hitting the road. Ashley Bailey is the education team leader in Salt Lake City's Sustainability Department.
This is that soft plastic that I'm talking about that we wouldn't take.
She helps residents know what is and isn't accepted.
Got empty aluminum cans, that's going to be great. These hard bottles, that's good. Our first approach is to flyer the can. We have various flyers that would say, you know, what is accepted and what isn't accepted. And then we also have tags, which is a piece of paper where I can check off what was in there. And then the driver coming by will see that and they won't pick up that can. And the hope is that the resident will clean that out, and then the next week we can dump the can for them. Okay, so this one I can see a bunch of glass in the bottom. So I am going to tag this one.
Recyclable materials end up here at the Waste Management Materials Recovery Facility.
This is where all the trucks come in and dump their materials.
Walt Mathiasen is the facility manager.
About 20% of what we get is actually not recyclable. So this is where we have to try to get the material off the line.
Walt says with this new facility and better technology, they have a lower contamination rate. That means less waste going to the landfill. But he says it's much easier for them when residents know what belongs in the recycle bins. His advice to recyclers: keep it simple.
Keep them loose, keep them clean, and cardboard, paper, bottles, plastic bottles, cans, and aluminum. If you don't know whether or not it's recyclable, throw it out.
Sometimes it's easy to get down on yourself, and even I do. We think that our actions don't matter.
Zell says it's the small changes that have really empowered her.
These are just my little essentials. You tackle one change at a time, and once you've solidified that change, you can move on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Tons of bags. You never want to run out, you guys. Make sure you always have your bag.
She says the most important thing is that you just do something.
Half of living sustainably, it's your mindset, you know, is taking the action and knowing that it matters, knowing that what you do counts in the bigger picture, taking responsibility for our lives.